Lamarr Wilson here, back for another video, back for another unboxing, and it is definitely gaming related. So I have opened the box, as you can see. That was weird. I haven't opened the boxes inside because I like to be surprised like you. Like I want to do these videos honestly. It is from Pixel Pals, our light up collectibles. Hi, Mr. Lamarr Wilson. Oh man, Mr. We're pleased to send you samples of our officially licensed Pixel Pals lineup. We hope you enjoy the samples we provide and continue to add to your collection. We currently have 40 plus characters and continue to grow. Okay, so the reason I'm closing is I hadn't read this before. In the middle of this, it told me what they sent me. So I read the first one and I was like, no, let me not read the rest because I want to be surprised. Here we go. This is not anything. Throw that away. Oh my God. So what are these? Are the USB adapters? Okay, we gotta open one. Got you again. I got y'all. There we go. So it has that piece there, and it comes with a USB. Okay, 1 box, 2 box, and throw box. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Sonic. Okay, look at that. Sonic the Hedgehog, Pixel Pals, collect them all. Okay, so they gave me the adapters that don't normally come with it. I'm assuming, I guess you could buy these separately. But if you go ahead and open the back, you can put 2 AAA batteries right in there. Or you can buy their adapter, which will be the USB one. Now I see. Okay, I thought it came with the USB. So I'm going ahead and put that in. Oh man, okay, can we just focus on the Sonic though? Like, oh, if this whole video is gonna be like this, woo! Okay, let's plug this in. Hey Siri, turn off the studio. Oh, okay. Oh my God. Guys, look at that. That is awesome. Hey Siri, turn on the studio. Okay, hi, we're back. Okay, so let me just say in lights. Okay, so you can see, just so you can see when it's light, how, oh my God. So if you just have one cord, if you have multiple, AAA. And let's look at the next one. Here we go. Fallout 4. Oh, wow, I've seen this one. Sorry, you can't buy this unless you're 14 plus, you see? But the game, okay. Slow down. I wasn't that fast. Oh man, look at that. So off and on. Next one. Red Link! Ah! What? God, look at that. Donning his red tunic and equipped with the Master Sword and red ring, Link is our resilient hero and brave protagonist. As the worthy champion of the Triforce of Courage, he fights to keep Hyrule safe from evil forces. Link stays humble and principled, rarely showing signs of cowardice during his epic journey to restore peace. I just had to read that one because that's like, this is my childhood. Okay, I'm sorry. There he is. Mr. Link, he's red. There we go. So those are the 2 differences. Next, Mario! This is, oh, I know y'all are mad at me for destroying these boxes, but they want me to open them. These are not collectibles to not be opened. They're to be showcased. So, you know, I'm just letting you know. If you buy it yourself, you don't have to open it, but I am. Super Mario 3. Man, I loved this game. Oh, that was really fast. Ooh, oh my, okay. One of my favorites already. Look at that. Okay, and again, off and on. Next, and we have one more box, guys. Oh my God. I'm hoping for one that I know they make. If it's not in here, I'm not gonna be mad, but I'm just gonna be like, oh, I was kind of hoping, but anyway, I'm grateful. So here, all right, here we go. 5, who is this? Ren from Ren and Stimpy. Oh snap. There you go, Ren and Stimpy. Came out in 1991. You know why I'm a 90s kid? Because in 1990, I was 12. And 12 is a kid. It's not a teen. So I was officially, don't challenge me on that. I was a 90s kid. I was. I'm serious, I was. Can I just open this? Okay, all right. Okay, that was a little slow. So that's Ren right there. When I'm looking at it in person, I can see his eyes. The camera's overexposing it just a little bit. Yeah, so again, it's overexposing. I can see his eyes fine, but you all can't just because of the camera. So just want to let you know, it is really clear. Next! What next one did they send me? And okay, I'm glad I picked Stimpy. I'm not looking in the box. This is really cool. All right, so Stimpy. Oh, he looks so cool. Why was this one taking so long? Here we go. Okay, so you can see his eyes much better. They decided to put some dark there. Okay, and in the light, you can see it now dark and light. Okay, here we go. The second to last one. All right, what is Superman? Dun, 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 dun. Sorry. Oh my God, the last son. If they sent Superman, no. What is in that box? If they sent I promise you, I want to be surprised as much as you. I want to look over there, but let's just get this open. That was not what the strength of Superman. The strength of Aquaman. Sorry. A little overexposed because of the camera, but that is how Superman looks. So, I mean, like, really, really awesome. My heart is beating. It's the last one. If it's in there, you know what I'm waiting for. I'm gonna snap. There we go. I didn't know. Oh my God. Oh my God. I can't, and it's the last one. How did I do that? I think the universe is working with me. I know I'm supposed to do it fast, but like, I don't know. I'm just like, I'm all out of energy now. There she is, Mrs. Wonder Woman. I say Mrs. because I'm gonna marry her. Okay, there, guys, there she is. 8-bit Wonder Woman. Oh my God. I love her. Did you know that I'm now cool with Susan Eisenberg, the voice of Wonder Woman on Justice League? We follow each other, and she likes me. She likes my stuff, and she likes all my tweets and everything. Susan, if you're watching this, I love you. Like, seriously, you being the voice of Wonder Woman on Justice League is like the best thing. And the fact that we now know each other, I love your voice. I love you. That sounded creepy. It's not. I'm cool. But just let you know. I'm sorry. I'm excited. Okay. I said Pixel Pals, thank you so much for these. Blew my mind. Not a sponsor, but if you do want to sponsor and send the rest of the 32, because I did math. No, wait, hold on. 32. Hit me up. I'm just saying. I could do this. This whole room could be pixels. I gotta go buy some batteries, but it's worth it. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate you all. Listen, I'm gonna put the link below to these. Find them at, collect them. Tell me which ones in the comments you already have, or tell me in the comments which ones you want now that you've seen this collection. Wait, where is she? I was like, wait. Okay, cause she. Gotta keep my lips on there, that way you know. I'm sorry. I'm real excited. I appreciate you watching. If you're interested in what I'm doing throughout the week, if I'm not posting videos, follow me on Twitter or on Instagram or any of those fine social medias. Again, I'm also on Discord as well. So again, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. I am legit excited. I gotta figure out where to put these. All right, talk to you later. Bye.